Consumer Cellular uses the native blocking features on your iPhone or Android device since they don't offer a carrier-specific blocking app. This means the blocking is device-specific. If you block a number, it won't affect the number's ability to call other devices on the same account. When a number is blocked, calls are silently rejected and texts may be filtered. The caller is not notified of the blocked number, and they are still able to leave voicemails. To gain broader protection, combine device blocking with registering on the Do Not Call list. Keep in mind, blocking spoofed numbers might be difficult. For iPhone users with iOS 18 or later, start by opening the phone app, then tap Recents or Contacts to find the unwanted number. Tap the eye icon next to the number, scroll down, and select Block this caller. Confirm to complete the block. For Android devices with Android 15 or later, open the phone app and go to Recents or Contacts. Tap the number, then select Block or Block Report Spam. Choose to block calls, texts, or both. To unblock numbers, simply reverse these steps in the same menus. Some Android phones also offer a Block Unknown Callers setting to automatically block numbers not in your contacts.